So how you been?
Good, really good.
You look great.
Yeah, well, I've been trying to beef up a little, be more of a leading man.
How's that working out?
Great.
Melissa Joan Hart. I'm a big cat. Big fan. Clarissa saved my life.
Wow.
That's what I wanted to say to you.
Okay.
I'm gonna have someone bring out some chips and salsa. And they're on me.
That's sweet, thanks.
You're sweet.
Oh.
You're pretty.
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
Wow, that's awesome. So what's up?
I miss it.
What?
You know exactly what. You, me, us, the excitement, the power. I miss it all. I miss it so much.
Okay, look, it's the middle of the day. Okay, there are a lot of people around.
I don't care about them. They're beneath me, and you.
I don't know.
Just this once. It'll be like the glory days. I know you want to, Sabrina.
What did you call me?
I called you Sabrina.
Okay, look. If we do this, we do it right. And this is the last time.
It's settled then. Let's do some motherfucking magic!
Chips and salsa?
Magic!
Magic! It feels so good!
Suck on that magic! It's just me and my magic pussy!
I'm drunk with power!
Abracadabra, bitches!
Expelliarmus!
Hey! Hey, baby!
Oh, yeah!
I am amazing! Magic!
She hit my son with a cup!
Magic! Magic, magic, magic! 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 Where are my shoes? Chips and salsa?